Tired of boring green beans? Prepare to be amazed by this simple yet flavorful dish. Join me over at the cooktop. Let's get started. You're going to want a large skillet because green beans are going to take up a lot of room. I've put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. I've got it on medium heat. I'm adding about 1.5 pounds of green beans. We're going to start those sauteing for about the next 2 minutes or so before we start adding additional ingredients in here. You can see this takes up a lot of room, so you do want a large skillet. After you wash your green beans, make sure you pat them dry really well before you go on to this process. You're also going to want to be either breaking off the ends or cutting off the ends. In my case, I just use the scissors. Okay, they've been at it for about 2 minutes. Now they're not really hot yet. We're still just getting the process started. If you wanted, you could probably saute them for a little bit longer, but I'm going to go ahead and start adding some more ingredients to it. Now this works best if you use fresh green beans, not the frozen or the canned. But if you don't have any choice, go with the frozen. Now to this, I'm going to be adding some salt and pepper. In my case, I'm using some Pepper Mafia from the Golden Steer Steakhouse in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a little bit different blend of pepper, a little bit coarser, a little bit different varieties of pepper. So that's why I'm choosing it for this dish. Just plain ground black pepper will also work well. Now to that, I'm also adding some minced garlic. And I'll have the directions down below. Now at this point, I'm also going to be adding some brown sugar. Because everything is better with brown sugar on it. Am I right? I'm going to start another timer here for about 10 minutes. Now at this point, I'm also going to be adding 1/3 cup of sliced slivered almonds. Okay, my timer's just gone off for the 10 minutes. At this point, maybe they're done, maybe they're not. The way to find out, take a fork and to test it, just kind of poke one of these. Now that still felt a little bit firm to me, so I'm going to go ahead and continue to saute them for a little while longer. They don't have to go in real easy, but I just like to have a tad more give to them before we call it done. Okay, that's been about another 2 minutes. I've kind of been testing them a little bit, and the fork is going in a little bit easier. Now remember, these are fresh green beans, so you want there to be a little bit of give to them. That's how you can tell they're fresh green beans. But at this point, we're going to set them off to the side to cool for just a few moments so that they're not too hot to serve. And I'll meet you over at the other counter in just a moment. Okay, these are looking terrific, but I'm going to kick them up 1 notch more. I mean, they're great just the way they are. But to top that off just a little bit, little Parmesan cheese, a little shredded Parmesan cheese. Now, these are going to be perfect. Time to taste them. Still a little warm. Still very crunchy, just like you'd expect from fresh green beans. But I'm picking up on that toasted almond. I'm going to try to get just some of that toasted almond in here. That's fantastic. Your family is gonna love these, I promise. These are awesome. Okay, I know I'm gonna hear about it if Gunnar does not get a taste. So here we go. Gunnar, here you go. He's loving it. So I guess that's it. If you're liking the video, consider giving me a like down below. The description is also down below. Maybe a subscription. And please give me lots of comments because I love to hear your comments. I've got viewers from all over the world. Let me know where you're from too. So with that said, I will catch y'all next time. Bye-bye.